Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to unblock someone on Gmail using your PC. If you've accidentally blocked an important contact or simply want to reverse a previous decision, this guide is for you. First, head over to gmail.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. Click on See All Settings to access Gmail's comprehensive settings page. Now that we're in the settings area, navigate across the top tabs until you find Filters and Blocked Addresses. Clicking this will take us directly to where we can manage both filters and blocked email addresses. In this section, you'll see a list of all email addresses currently blocked by your account. Locate the address you wish to unblock by scrolling through or searching if needed. Once found, click on Unblock next to that specific address. When prompted with a confirmation message asking if you really want to unblock this sender, go ahead and confirm your choice by clicking Unblock. This step ensures that emails from this sender will no longer be automatically sent to spam, but instead appear in your inbox like any other message. It's worth noting that blocking emails doesn't delete them. It just moves them straight into spam upon arrival. So, even after blocking someone temporarily, their messages are still accessible if needed. If at any point during these steps things seem unclear, or if there are multiple addresses listed under blocked senders that need attention, feel free to pause here for a moment before proceeding further with each one individually as needed. By following these straightforward steps, logging into gmail.com, accessing settings via the gear icon, navigating through filters and blocked addresses, you should now have successfully unblocked anyone whose emails were previously being diverted away from reaching your main inbox directly again.